Hi traders, in today's video, finally I am going to show you the difference between the basic broker provided tick data test and the 99.9% tick data suit test, and you are going to see something really important. In my opinion, for most traders, this video is the most important video of all, because I am in this space for years now, and many traders asked me, like not just one or two, more than 100 traders, why don't you just optimize and test your EAs with the basic broker provided tick data? Because that way we could also test it easily, and it would be easier for you and us, right? It is true. It would be so much easier for me to test, optimize, and do everything with broker data. You know why? Because it is so much easier to, just get great looking results, great looking charts with the broker provided tick data, and it is so much faster. It is so much faster, and here I am. They think I am not completely normal because I am spending my days, weeks, years testing with the 99.9% quality tick data, with the variable spread and the slippage, and it takes a very long time. But in this video I am going to showcase why it is so much more important for me to have quality results, actually good results for my EAs that are reliable than just showing you great looking charts, because you are going to see the difference and how dangerous it is to only test with the broker provided data. If you are a seller, if you are a genuine seller, like for me, business is not about just selling my EAs to traders and then don't care about them. I am constantly updating my stuff, and my marketing is my EA. So if someone is buying an EA from me, my marketing is, if that EA is good, they are going to come back and buy more of that kind of EA because they trust my work, and that is how my business is operating. So I have a great interest in creating algorithms that are actually working on live markets. And it is, if you are testing with only the broker provided data, it won't work. And now let's see why it is the case and what is the difference. Now I have just a random broker, Pepperstone in this case. I have many brokers like Tickmill and IG and the IC markets, and every one of them. I could do it on every broker. Pepperstone is a great broker, but like almost none of the brokers are providing good tick data. That is why I am using the paid tick data suite one, and I never regretted it. Now I have a basic EA and a 1 hour time frame and the every tick data, and we are going to test it for 1 year. Let's see what are the results, how is the chart looking like with this tick data, this broker provided tick data. And then I am going to do the test with the 99.9% tick data that I have, because now, if you can see it, I am not using that. I'm using the broker provided one. Let's see. And you are going to also see how much more time consuming it is to test any EA with a good quality tick data. and watch carefully, because it is a very, very important part of algorithmic trading. And I know many of you are very happy now that I'm doing this video finally. Yeah, it is looking great actually. It is looking awesome. It is a very straight line with some drawdowns, but it is very stable. As you can see, it is a every tick data test, the most precise method, but it is only a 53-4% quality. Now, it wouldn't matter if it would be like 90% quality. That is not enough, and the difference would be almost just as huge as with this 53% tick data. And it is a great chart, and most traders are stopping here. They tested their strategy with the broker provided tick data, and they think, yeah, this strategy could work because it is a pretty nice chart. I have some statistics, and I am going to put it on my live account, and I tested my strategy for a whole year, so it is great. Now let's see, and this is a very important part. I am now using variable spread and the 99.9% tick data test. Let's see the difference. Let's start. You will be shocked about the difference, and most sellers on MQL5 market really take an advantage of this. They are testing their EAs with only like 50% quality tick data, and even I saw even like lower than that. When you put those EAs on your live account, you are going to lose everything. Let's see how it is going to turn out. It will be a what is happening here, my friends? Up until this point, you asked yourself, oh, the NomadTrader went crazy. He's showing us stuff that it is looking great with the high quality tick data than with the low quality. What is he doing? But the high quality tick data actually showed us the downside of this potential of this strategy. No, not at all. And man, we haven't seen this one as well. And how different is this chart to the previous one? And it is the same, and this test is done with the same settings, same time frame, same EA. It is the same exact test. It is just the same exact test. It is very important to note. And we are just at half of the test. I think this strategy got exposed. It doesn't actually work. It worked on the broker provided tick data, but it doesn't actually work on live trade, on not even live trading, but on the 99.9% tick data. And I didn't use very high spreads for the variable. I used completely normal ones. I used normal, like everything. I didn't use extreme stuff to just showcase. I could, but I didn't. It is the reality. The reality is that this strategy is nowhere near as good as it was in the previous test, even though both of them are every tick data, but there is huge differences. Yeah, I wouldn't trade with this after seeing the 99.9% tick data quality test, and it is just 1 year. So it is just 1 year of testing. With a 10-year test, it would blow the account 100%. But with the 10-year test on the broker provided data, I think it would be seen as a great strategy. This is how sellers trick you. So always look for the high quality tick data, and not just that, but the Monte Carlo analysis, quant analyzer results as well. But the 99.9% tick data is just so important. If you are interested, I can show you like more extreme differences, but I think if you are a serious trader, you know how much this difference means. Because yeah, I could show like grid systems with trailing stop that the chart would be like a straight chart to the upside with low quality tick data, and it would be a straight chart to the downside with the 99.9% quality tick data. I can show you those ones as well, but I wanted to show realistic stuff that is interesting for serious traders. I hope this video was an eye-opener for you and you learned from this video. And if you're interested in more of these videos in the future, just let me know in the comments, because I am happy to do more of these videos. Ciao.